Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Starseed. Today I'm going to share with you guys an easy vegan meal, a healthy vegan meal that you can prepare for your family that will cost you under $10. Stay tuned. The main ingredients for this meal will be a bowl of rice, which is about 1 pound. It costs 99 cents. 1 bag of kale, organic kale, which costs about $3.99. 2 sweet potatoes, they were 35 cents each. A clove of garlic, which cost about $1, and 3 zucchini, which cost about $1.99. Next, you cut up your sweet potatoes in cubes. Then you can cut up your zucchini. You can cut them up in circles or either wedges. And then next you can place your kale into a skillet, but first add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add your garlic cloves as well as your seasoning. I put about a tablespoon of red wine oil. And then with the sweet potatoes, you just cook it. You can add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also add about 1/3 cup of brown cane sugar to give it that sweet taste. Then you stir, mix it all together and cook it for about maybe 15 minutes or until it softens. You'll know when the zucchini is done when it turns golden brown. You'll know when the kale is done when it softens. Dinner is ready. Bon appetit. Oh my goodness, when I tell you this meal is so tasty. The sweet potatoes are sweet. The zucchini is seasoned to perfection. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. And the rice is nice and fluffy. Yum. Also, the kale, oh my goodness, is sauteed to perfection as well. And I also added an avocado to it to give it that final taste of bliss. You will not regret making this meal, which costs less than $10.